stinks, man. Holy. Come back here. It's coming for you, Sandy. It's coming for you.
Oh.
Gonna hand you up.
Don't threaten the dog.
It's coming. It's called a hoover. You should be used to me doing it by now. Or do it every day. You'll have neglect.
Oh.
It's a hoover. All together now.
It's a hoover!
It's not a thing that can moisture. It just likes to clean. I know you don't like this thing called clean, but it has to be done.
Oh, look at her
Like
little
a mop.
face. And now she'll check if it's dead. Is it dead? I don't think she's sure that it's dead yet. Well, she doesn't know that. Sniffing for it. She's like, gone. Gone. I'll come after you. I'll come after you. It's gone, Sandy. It's okay now.
Yes, you're quite alive. I have finished doing my manly clean.
You're not going to mop next, are you?
No, I'm alright with mopping. And at the end, I always wanted.
I know, right?
Look, jelly tots and randoms.
Oh, yeah. Sniff, 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 sniff. Sniff it.
Nothing in there for Sandy's. Oi, this is, I just told you, there's nothing in there for you.
She doesn't know that. Mm. She thinks everything's for her. She's licking the plastic bag.
Nothing in there for Sandy.
Nothing at all.
There's some treats somewhere.
There is something in there for Sandy. Oh, Sandy, that's not for you.
Nothing for Sandy's.
Well, it smells good.
I bought some tip tops.
Ooh, tip tops. I haven't had those in ages. Look.